percentage problem for you all. Let's see how we calculate square root of 25% minus 5%. And you have four choices: 0, 25%, 45% and 50%. So what's the answer? So square root of 25% can be written as in decimal, we can write it as 0.25 because it's a percent per 100, 25 per 100. So 25 divided by 100 is 0.25, and that's under root. Then bring it back to a fraction, that is 25 over 100 under the root, which can be written as square root of 25 over square root of 100. And square root of 25 is 5 over square root of 100 is 10. Now 5 over 10 as a percentage, whenever you want to convert a fraction to a percentage, just multiply by 100. So 0, 0 gets cancelled. It's 50%. 50%. You have minus 5%. So let's subtract minus 5%. So what do we get? 50 minus 5 is 45%, and that's your answer, choice C. Thank you so much. Bye.